Hey guys, welcome to CRNT Designers. This is Chetan, and in this Blender tutorial, we will try to create this Tibetan design, and then we'll try to wrap that design on a cylinder. Here I have the reference image. Snap it to 3D cursor. Go to the top view. I want to wrap this Tibetan ornamental design on the cylinder. To do this, I'm going to add a plane. Turn on the X-ray mode. Scale down this plane like this. Scale it along the y-axis in this way. Select this H and E to extrude it like this and move it along the x-axis. Add a center loop cut here. Add loop cuts and start to craft the design. Select these faces and then delete these faces. Select everything, mesh and symmetrize. Take the symmetry along the x and y axis. Select these faces and delete them. Then you can hide this reference image, and here we have got the design. Now I will add necessary loop cuts like this. You can use the knife tool and create cut like this, just to spread these edges evenly as much as you can, okay? Because we want to bend it. Take the symmetry. Now that's looking fine to me. Then I'm going to rotate it into 90° and Control A, apply the rotation. Then Shift A, mesh, add a cylinder, and I will add a 48 word cylinder. S and Shift Z, scale it along the X and Y axis like this. Now select this design, scale it down and move it here. Scale it down a little bit more. And now we need to wrap this design on the cylinder. So first thing I'm going to do, I will add a simple deform modifier like this and choose the proper axis and choose the bending option. And I will give the angle 45° angle here. Okay, pretty simple. And then Shift D to duplicate this, change the transform point to 3D cursor and rotate it into 45° angle like this. And now you can see these faces are overlapping, so that's why we need to select these two objects, change the transform point to individual origin and scale down them like this. Yeah, this much is fine. And then select these two objects, then change the transform point to 3D cursor and scale down them like this. You can hide this cylinder for a while. Select these two objects, Shift D to duplicate it and rotate them into 90° and complete the cylindrical form. Okay, once we got this, then select all the objects and here apply all modifiers. Then select all the objects and join them. Then select everything and press M and merge by distance, so double words will get merged. If not, then increase this merging distance. Okay, like this. Then select everything and then use the insert operation in this way and give the proper thickness, and then press Alt S to scale them along the normal in this way, and you will get this kind of design. Here is our cylinder and here is our design. Shade auto smooth this design and shade auto smooth the cylinder. If you want more thickness on this, go to the edit mode, select this edge loop, press Shift G and amount of adjacent edges, and then extrude along the normal, and then S Shift Z and scale them along the X and Y axis like this, and then you can scale it like this. Okay, pretty simple. So in this way you can create this kind of ornamental strap design. It is pretty simple and easy technique which you can use. Here we are creating a physical object, we are not baking details, baking normal maps. This trick is useful in the VFX industry, and you want to create same kind of design for the game, then you need to bake this details. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial, then hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye. See you next video. Take care.